We just want to show another demonstration of how you can use template string with multiple lines of string in your code. So our template string can allow you to work with multi-line string in your code. So let's dive in. I'll make a HTML document and say okay, working with multi-line strings. Make an header how to work with multi-line string using template literals. So I just make let me just make a simple p tag with an ID of demo as usual, and then I will leave it empty. Then I will open my script and close script tag. And here, so I'm going to make a variable, and this is the variable I want to make. So I want it to span multiple lines and see the output in my browser. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to first use a double quote or single quote since it's a string and see whether we are going to get a correct output. So I will break this and then I would make the first statement, the quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. You can see that just by putting our string this way, you can already see that I'm already getting error. JavaScript understand this first one, but immediately I split this line, this statement into another line. You see this red squiggly line keeps popping up, and I'm seeing unexpected keyword identifier. Now, if I try to log this out, document.write text. Is anything showing? Let me refresh. Okay, you can see that nothing is showing. Now let us now inspect to see the issue. You will see that there is an invalid or unexpected token, which means that JavaScript does not understand these lines of string, even though I am encapsulating it in the double quote, but JavaScript does not understand how to execute or pass it. So the solution to this is to use string literals or template literals that we have been talking about. So once I change this double quote to a template string, template literal like this, you can see the output and it is well formatted. The reason why it is not breaking like this is because in JavaScript, JavaScript treats white space as string. So you put everything on a single line. But if you want it for legibility or elegancy, you can see that as we break and put each of this line on a new, each of this character on a new line, each of this string on a new line, it looks more neater, and yet we are still getting the correct output in our browser. So template literal allow you to escape this issue of unexpected keyword identifier or the error that we saw earlier in the console. So this is how you use template string with multi-line characters when it comes with working on string. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.